West Karbing long Amri constituency along Hulukunchi PHE along non puantami tingki lang kreng krai se dubong la na son si labang so tingki pakreng krai poma Chokomar tung ningje teng pati lang kang bob adim pen lang ka ve pusi along tempat hello bons tame lang kang bob along ge lang do herangge tum hadak humudam si lang kang bob labang so lang kang bob adim prapjin pen sarkar pen selang panang po pasi rada tum chuning ribon labang so lang lakai ing sampik lapen ing tirjer nang itum lang ita labang so lang ing tirjer lapen ing samje la som si labang so lang ki me lake nohok kalong man kalong pusi tum pek long labang so lang lake frisa long ki dia lang ating sing samje lapen chun me pik kanja
I am standing rightly on the water source from where Ulukunchi PHE sub division because we have asked the officials, the department official, when we ask why there is no sufficient water for the consumers, then the official says that in the source itself there is no sufficient water. But now we are standing exactly on the location from where the water has been taken. That the government together with the department, I would like to request to make sufficient infrastructure too, because I can see this side there is a big hole. Maybe water can pass away this side other than the pipe, out of the pipe. So that's why I want to request the governments to take up the new schemes and make the proper infrastructure and give the water supply to the consumers.